Well, this morning we're going to hike White Oaks Trail here in Hawn State Park. Might decide to take the connectors. If you got two connectors here that take you over to Whispering Pines Trail. If I'm feeling real ambitious, we'll hook over to Whispering Pines, go around, maybe come up Pickle Creek a little bit, and then come back out here. See what happens. Let's get going. So after completing the loop, you cross a creek and come up to this junction right here. You make a right. This will take you on a connector to the Whispering Pines Trail. You can go left on the Whispering Pines Trail for a little ways and take another connector back to this trail. What this will do is it'll take you along a really beautiful section of Pickle Creek that you will not see if you just hike the Pickle Creek Trail. So let's go this way. This will be fun. I don't know if he's going to let me pass. Here is where you'll make your left. If you go right, you'll be on Whispering Pines Trail. You'll be on the North Loop. Left is also Whispering Pines Trail, North Loop, but it connects to Pickle Creek Trail and to another connector that will take us back over to White Oaks Trail. This is part of Pickle Creek that is right across from remote campsite 1 or walk-in site or backcountry, whatever you call it. Probably going to stay at that site sometime. So when you get to here, this is White Connector 1 Trail, takes you back over to White Oaks. We just came from back that way, Whispering Pines. This way you can cross that little feeder stream and go up a ways, and it will connect to the end of Pickle Creek Trail, and where you would cross back over Pickle Creek to continue on the Whispering Pines Trail. But for today, we're going back up to White Oaks. Here we come back to the White Oak Trail. Go to the right, and it'll take you back to the parking lot. Pretty short distance from here. A lot of it's uphill and rocky. So that's White Oak Trail. We went out to the loop, completed the loop, to make the connector 2 over the Whispering Pines, along Pickle Creek to connector 1 back to this trail. Things to know about this trail: the first half mile or so when you start is mostly downhill and mostly very rocky, which means your last half mile coming out is going to be mostly uphill and mostly very rocky. The rest of this trail is really not difficult at all. So this is a beautiful walk through the woods, lots of rock formations. If you add the connectors, parts of Pickle Creek.